For almost a decade, this amazing operation has been stitching the world back into more biodiverse, more sustainable working order by ensuring that many millions of trees have not been cut down, but grow on to do all the important things which trees do. The world's forests are not only part of the planet's beauty, but they are essential for the plants, animals and people that live in and depend on them. They also help stabilise soils, calm the flow of rivers and stem both floods and drought. Every day, tens of thousands of trees are needlessly felled. This is real bad news for the balance of Mother Earth. The good news is that Chamois Kitchens is a key part of a Europe-wide consortium that is solving the problem with state-of-the-art technology and business practice. Let's find out more about this amazing company.
Chamois Kitchens is the first company in Britain that is making a real effort to dramatically reduce the felling of trees, and it's been doing so for 6 years. Its ecological panels are made from 100% recycled wood. And what's more, once these recycled products have come to the end of their useful life, they can be reused again. In the last 12 months alone, Chamois has played a key role in saving more than 1 million trees. This multi-award-winning company has been providing cost-effective kitchens for rented accommodation and social housing throughout the country since 1980. But these are no ordinary kitchens. They're economical, ecologically sound, durable, and most importantly, they demonstrate great ideas in manufacturing processes, functionality, and end-user accessibility. Passionate about protecting the environment, Chamois uses recyclable equivalents for hardwood and timber fittings. For example, it does so for its hinges and handles. Plastics have been reduced to a bare minimum, and even packaging for products leaving the factory has been virtually eliminated. Although these kitchens are the first in the UK to feature innovations including fully height-adjustable kitchens for the disabled, ingenious fold-away work surfaces, child-proof medicine cabinets which use magnets instead of keys, reinforced sinks that can hold an astonishing 40 stone in weight, and doors and drawers that can never slam shut, they are supplied countrywide at a highly competitive price. Proof of this is the success that Chamois is enjoying in gaining national contracts with leading contractors, for example, Waits Living Space. A biomass plant at the company's headquarters in the West Midlands takes in old kitchen carcasses as fuel, and burning them all at a steady 800 degrees centigrade provides the company premises with all the heating it needs all year. The only emission into the atmosphere is harmless steam. But the story doesn't end there. Chamois Kitchens is the only UK company that's part of a European consortium that collects the waste material and recycles it. It's an operation on an extraordinary scale and with spectacular results, having saved 39 million trees in the last 9 years. Yes, 39 million. So, not only is Chamois showing the rest of the UK that you can make top-quality, very reasonably priced furniture and still help to protect the environment for generations to come, but it is also playing a key role in a Europe-wide operation to protect the world's forests. And remember, Chamois is the only British company involved.
This waste wood is going to be turned into amazing things like beautiful furniture and even Chamois kitchens. In you go!
Every year, the companies in the consortium use 1.5 million tonnes of recycled wood to create their ecological panels. The incoming wood, for example, from old furniture, pallets, tree pruning and construction waste that would have gone to landfill, is brought here by train, where it goes through its first green baptism. Recleaned and selected, the wood is ground into chips before being taken to the separation plant, where any metals, stone, glass and plastics are removed for recycling. After the wood has been soaked in resin, it undergoes a hot press process and the ecological panel is formed. This is reuse of waste wood on the grandest of scales. Moving on cooled rollers, the panels are cross-cut and then stacked, ready for a new life. Each panel has saved the death of many, many trees, leaving them to carry on their vital life-sustaining work. This top-quality and sophisticated plant was planned and developed mostly in-house, using the consortium's resources of market-leading technical know-how and its passion for and commitment to protecting the environment. Nothing goes to waste. Any unusable wood is turned into electricity or thermal energy to fuel the factory complex, and emissions are controlled by humid electrostatic filters. Matching the sophisticated technology is the consortium's attention to logistics. More than half of the recovered wood is transported by rail.
This is the greenest train I've ever seen. It goes clear across Europe, picking up any waste wood and doing away with the problems of fly tipping and landfill. And it brings all that wood to this factory where it is recycled. It's turned into new wood. How much greener can you get than this? Technological know-how, organisation, creativity and partnership have assisted this European eco-panel group in gaining 35% of the Italian market in the production of chipboard panels. Every year, 1.7 million cubic metres of panels leave this plant. But even more important is the ecological role that this operation is playing. It's win-win for trees, the planet, the people and the consortium. The finished product, a chip off Mother Nature's block of recycling everything. Now this is a new sort of wood, the most biodiverse wood in the world, and as every tree has a Latin name, a binomial, this must be named. Over to the boss, what are we going to call it?
Legno riciclato.
Riciclato!
Riciclato.